In our last video, we were discussing about critical points. So what are critical points? These are the points where either the differentiation first derivative vanishes or where the function is not differentiable. Okay? Now, how to get local maximum or minimum of a function? Okay, before that, let me consider the graph of y equal to x cube. You see, what is its graph? Its graph is like this, am I right? Now, at this point, you see, it is x equal to 0. Here, dy by dx is what? 3x square, na? At x equal to 0, what happens? Dy by dx vanishes. So 0 is a critical point. I told you in my last video that the maximum and minimum values exist only at critical points. But here it is a critical point. Let us see whether maximum minimum values exist or not at this point. Let me take some points nearing to this. Here you see the function is increasing, means derivative is greater than 0. Here is also increasing, means here f dash x greater than 0. Here also f dash x greater than 0. Matlab it is not like this. F dash x greater than 0 and less than 0. So there is no change in the sign of derivative. That means this is not a point of local maximum or minimum. Then what is this point? This point is known as a point of inflection. What we call? Point of inflection. inflexion. Okay? So there are some points on a curve may or may not exist, but in some curves the first derivative does not change sign, still somewhere the first derivative vanishes. These are the critical points. Okay? And more about critical points we shall discuss. Okay? Now, coming to the idea of local maximum and minimum. अभी लोकल मैक्सिमम मिनिमम का आइडिया ले लेते हैं. नाउ फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव मेथड. और क्राइटेरिया for finding local maximum or minimum. Okay? Now, what is my first? Y equal to fx is the function. My first work is find the critical points. How to find the critical points? They are the zeros of f dash x or roots of f dash x equal to 0. That means where the function's first derivative vanishes, or the points where f is not differentiable. What is my first work? To find the critical points. So for critical points, what shall I do? I shall find x for which f dash x equal to 0, and also those x for which I cannot find f dash x, means f is not differentiable. Let this critical, one of the critical point is one of the critical points is x equal to soch lo a. Many critical points I shall get. So at every point I will have to check. हर जगह में मुझे चेक करना होगा. Now, let me consider an interval a minus h to a plus h, means very close to A but in the left, very close to A but in the right. Now, check or draw the sign scheme for f dash x. क्या करेंगे? f dash x का साइन स्कीम ड्रॉ कर देंगे. We know how to draw the sign scheme in our increasing decreasing functions. So here only we shall find the sign scheme of f dash x. Okay. Now, sign scheme में कैसा मिलेगा? Plus minus like this. Then, if f dash x changes its sign from plus to minus as x increases. Increases means pass from left to right. About x equal to a means x जब ऐसे लेंगे, then sign will change from plus to minus. Then x equal to a is a point of local maximum. We already have read. Sign change from, if the function changes from increasing to decreasing maximum. Increase, decrease. Okay. And if f dash x changes its sign from minus to plus as x increases through x equal to a means ऐसे sign scheme में minus plus, then x equal to a is a point of local what? Minimum. Okay. And if there is no change in sign, in this process or in taking or in increasing x or in this process, so when x is increases through a, okay, if there is no change in sign in this process, like this, here is a, here plus, or here is a, here minus, then x is a point of inflection. Okay, no change in sign of f dash x in the sign scheme, point of inflection. Plus to minus, maximum. Minus to plus, minimum. Acha, how to get maximum value? X equal to a is a point of local maximum. What is the local maximum value? It is f of a. What is the point of local minimum value? It is f of a. Getting the idea? F of a is the local maximum or local minimum value. Okay. Next. Now, you see, in the graph of y equal to fx equal to x cube, we were discussing. This is the graph. Mark here. This point is point of inflection because their first derivative is 0 and f dash x does not change its sign, but the curve changes its design. कैसे? Here is convex. ये convex style ना? Okay? And here is concave. Okay? Getting the idea? Convex, concave, or concave to convex. if there is a change in the design from convex to concave or concave to convex, that point where this change begins is the point of inflection. जहाँ ये begin होता है concave to convex or convex to concave, that is the point of inflection. Now tell me, what is the critical point for fx is mod x? You know. F dash x I cannot find at 0. F is not differentiable at x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is the critical point. Getting the idea? Because critical point is that point where either f dash x vanishes or f dash x does not exist, or we cannot find the differentiation. Now, for finding, these are about local maximum and local minimum. But sometimes we want to find the maximum and minimum values. Okay, they are the global or total maximum minimum values of a function in a closed interval. Remember, finding maximum or minimum values of a function in closed interval AB. What shall you do? That function is y equal to fx. Find all critical points. Means f dash x 0 करके x का value or the values where f is not differentiable. Okay, and find the critical points in open interval AB. Only between a and b वाला जितना critical point निकालो. Let the critical points ऐसे आया x1, x2, x3, x like this xn. Okay, इतना critical point आया between a and b. Then nothing to do. Find fa, value of function at a, f of x1 सब critical point में, f of x2, f of xn and also f of b. You find the values of function at all critical points. The highest of all these is maximum of fx, and minimum of all is minimum of fx. याद रखो, maximum value of all these सबसे बड़ा, that is maximum of fx. Minimum value of all these सबसे छोटा, minimum value of fx. Let us take one question. Find local maximum and minimum. Fx is 3x fourth plus 4x cube minus 12x square plus 12. What is my procedure? First, it is a polynomial. It is not differentiable at no point. It is differentiable everywhere. So I will get f dash x. 12x cube, 12x square minus 12 x. Can I take 12x common? X square plus x minus 1. So I can write 12x factorize. क्योंकि मेरा टारगेट क्या है? I will have to draw the sign scheme. Okay? What is it? अरे ये 4x cube, 3x fourth, 12x square 24 dhare 24 2. So it is x plus 2 into x minus 1. Am I right? Now let us draw the sign scheme. साइन स्कीम बना लेते हैं. पॉइंट्स सबको 0 करो. x is 0, x is minus 2, x is 1. First it will come minus 2, then it will come 0, then it is 1. Infinite minus infinite. Take a point more than 1, 2 say, plus, plus, plus. Take a point between 0 and 1, say half, plus, plus, minus. X is half, put करो ना ये minus आएगा. Then take a point between minus 2 and 0, minus 1 I take, minus, plus, minus, 2 minus 1 plus, plus. Take a point less than minus 2, minus 3, minus, 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 minus. Okay. Now you see, f dash x changes sign from, this is the point minus 2, x is minus 2. F dash x changes sign from negative to positive when x increases through minus 2. So minus 2 is a point of local minimum. Plus to minus 0 में local maximum. Minus to plus 1 में local minimum. So लिखोगे कैसे? As f dash x changes. अच्छा, here to write f dash x equal to 0. छोड़ दिया हम. Therefore the critical points are, ये छोड़ दिए. Critical points are equal to 0 करने से 0, minus 2 and 1. Minus 2, x equal to minus 2, 0 and 1. ये लिखना होगा. Now f dash x changes sign. Changes its sign from minus to plus as x increases through minus 2. Therefore x equal to minus 2 is a point of local minimum. लिखोगे. And f of minus 2 is what? जो मिलेगा. f of minus 2 put करो. 48 ये minus 32 minus 48 कटा ये plus 12 minus 20 minus 20 is the local minimum value. ये है local minimum value. Okay. Now come to f dash x changes its sign from plus to minus as x increases through x equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0 is a point of local maximum, and local maximum value is f of 0, it is 12. Okay, are you understanding? Now f dash x changes, see ना, देखो इसको माइनस प्लस टू माइनस 0 में minus to plus 1. f dash x changes its sign from plus to minus, minus to plus as x increases through x equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1 is a point of local minimum there, and local minimum value is f of 1. What is f of 1? 12 कटा 7. Okay, getting the idea? So what is value of f of 1? 4, 3, 7. ये 12, 7. So you may tell कि 2 local minimum values come. Yes, local means some area, some small area. So in 2 small areas, 2 local minimums. Getting the idea? So Like this, go on solving the questions. In our next videos, we will take more and more concepts on local maximum and minimum.